Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting the Corvette back together. Last time we got the Corvette painted, it came out amazing. We let it dry, it dried up good, so now we can touch the panels, we can put them on. There's a lot of little stuff we gotta do, a lot of tedious stuff to get those gaps looking really good. We got the rear taillights to put on, we got the little highlight to put on, the mirrors, the door panel, and then we gotta assemble the front end. So that all takes time. Let's get straight to it, because once we get all that done, we're gonna recheck the alignment on it and hopefully go for our first test drive. So let's get straight to it. All right, so just like that, we got the tail lights, the little brake light, third brake light all installed, this little reflector, and we got the door panel with the mirror all installed. So the next thing to do is gonna work on this fender. We're gonna take off the wheels, do the inner fender, and get this gap looking good. So let's get to it. So there we go, we got the hood lined up, the gap is looking good over there, and on this side, we still got the little molding got to put inside, but so far I'm pretty happy. And yeah, we got this gap looking good, the door opens, nothing's touching, so everything's working out just like it needs. Then I was looking at the suspension a little bit more. I took off the shock, and it looks like the shock is bent. It won't come out anymore, so we have to order another one of those. And then we could probably redo the alignment, and hopefully the new wheel will come in. So we'll go order that and continue working.
All right, so let's see if we could figure out what is going on with the radio. That was kind of weird how they had it taken apart from the auction. I don't know why. Maybe they try to steal it or what's going on there. But basically, I do want to take off that plastic piece right there in the center console and see if we can't get behind there and see what's going on, see if it's not plugged in, because it's not working right now. Can't get it to turn on. And it looks like my heated seat button is hanging out there, so we'll get that figured out. Let's go ahead and get that taken apart and see what's up. Now, I really don't want to damage anything because it's so nice and clean. Don't want to snap anything, but I definitely need to take it off, so I might have to just go from the other side and take some more plastics off over there to be able to get to it. Alright guys, it was a little tricky, but I got it out. Yeah, so basically it was just unplugged. Looks like a whole bunch of wire mess going on. It probably had speakers and stuff, and yeah, he had a box he probably just stole, so he took it apart. Oh man. Yeah, looks like the antenna. I'll get it all plugged in properly. Hopefully plug it back in and hopefully it'll work fine. That'd be great. Let's just go ahead and put it all back together. Got a little clip up there. 1, 2, 3, 4 clips there. This is for the heated seats. Cigarette lighter. Put my screws back in, actually bolt it in, make everything secure. Yeah, should be good. We'll get it done. Alright guys, got my power on. Basically my battery was dead, but then I got a jump box on it, so look at that. We are working. Nice. Touch screen. This bottom one's not turning on, but maybe see if I have to start it. Okay, hold that down. My jump box still isn't the best.
Windows are going down.
Struggle's real. Okay. I'm just really happy my screen's working, so that's nothing busted there. Nice. My antenna's plugged in, so that's awesome. There we go. Yep, everything's working. Display's on. That's on. Awesome. Now I can tighten it all down, put it all back together, make sure I don't forget anything. That's my hazard light right there. Perfect. Check this thing out. Navigation. Awesome. Looking good. Hazard lights are working. Like I said, display's working, and that works if I turn my car on. Let's turn it on. Nice. See, my heated seats are working. Awesome and awesome. Everything seems to be working properly. Sweet. Just like that, all buttoned up, looking good and working nicely. That's really good. Man, check that out. I got CDs and DVDs. Awesome. Cool. All right, guys, and just like that, our Corvette is like 95% done. Basically, we're waiting for a few little detail parts to come in, but honestly, nothing too major. But hey, it's right there, looking beautiful. Unfortunately, we can't take it on the road right now due to the weather.
All right, Michael, what's going on?
Little snow day fun, you know? Take the side-by-side out. Woo! Definitely crazy.
We can't work today, so might as well have some kind of fun.
Oh yeah, for sure. Got ourselves a parking lot, some snow, side-by-side. What could go wrong? Let's go. Let's get it done.
After riding all day, it's Michael's turn.
There, but it'd be nice to kind of, we'll do it later. It's not a big deal. We'll definitely
I mean, we had
show you
fun
guys.
riding the side-by-sides, right?
Yeah, but we'll definitely show you guys this thing on the road later. But that's not a problem. Overall, like I said, we're waiting for a few little detail parts to come in, the fender liner kind of thing like that. Put that on there. But yeah, overall, it was a nice project, quick project. I definitely recommend it. It's definitely a fun car. Yeah, we're gonna test this out, have it for a little bit. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the comments and the feedback on it. Really appreciate it. Catch you next time.